Hey, how did you guys become friends? You know, I'm just gonna show you, bro. Oh, wow. Staring into the abyss is insanely fun. Holy shit. You know what? This dude seems cool. He must love staring into the abyss like me. I'm gonna go and talk to him like a normal person. Hey, I like you. Let's be friends. Sure. Want to know facts about donuts? Say yes. Okay. 每次都想抓住人最强，但是今天自己却缴械投降。因为爱你，我一如既往，再度压力的不放纵。你的炽热，我无法说话，还坚持让我心花怒放。幸亏我拥有爱的力量，愿意带你漫世界风暴。请你让来到我的身旁。Has 240 calories, 11 grams fat, 4.5 grams saturated fat, 33 grams carbohydrates, 4.0 G protein, 13 G sugars, and something sodium. If you love donuts, you got plenty of varieties to choose from. I'm going to buy. This is so copy and pasted. Oh, that's nice. Are there more facts? Yes. Oh, that's cool. Even though it's copy and pasted. Make sure to like and subscribe, you motherfucker.